In three.
Welcome, Night Riders. We are back with Night Live. The IPL 2021 auction has just ended, and this is the first time in the history of the IPL that KKR is going into a season with a full house, a full squad. To talk about this and so much more, we have Abhishek Nair and Venki Mysore joining us. First up, congratulations. How was your day at the auction?
Oh, when strong people like Abhishek and the coaching staff do all the hard work, we get to sit there and use the paddle. So I enjoyed it. I think everyone at the table enjoyed it. All our coaches were on Zoom electronically. This is the reflection of the times. So it went very well from our perspective. Pretty much along the script that we had written out. So we'll be happy.
All the homework, all the simulations, all the study has boiled down to this. We have a full squad now. Are you breathing a sigh of relief? Are you breathing easy?
Happy, yes, breathing easy for sure, but very happy. I think almost everything we planned came into effect. Took a lot of time, and obviously going through trials, watching a lot of videos, and then with Venki sir and the whole team planning. I think just how it panned out. Very happy with the outcome, and feel we have a very strong squad.
What was the reason behind building a full squad? Was it with the pandemic in mind and COVID protocols, and that might affect this upcoming season of the IPL as well? Was that one of the ideas?
Well, I think that's something we discussed because last year, even in the UAE, with this pandemic here and not knowing where the IPL may happen, whether it's India or it's abroad, just wanted to make sure we had all the options and didn't feel that later on in the season, in case something didn't go the way we wanted it to, we didn't have the options. So I think that's why the different outlook towards having a full squad this year.
And there's, as always, a very healthy mix of players, international and local, experienced. And you, who are you most excited about? Which buy got you the most worked out?
I think there are quite a few, to be honest, because I think the thought process, as Abhishek shared, was to have a good blend of experience and youth, and lean a little more towards experience because a high pressure cooker tournament and in pressure situations, you'll be able to come in and do that. Experience does it almost all the time. But I mean, it might sound strange, but I'm really looking forward to Harbhajan in purple and gold. I mean, I sent him a message, say welcome to KKR, and said better late than never. Because we've always thought about him, he's a champion, he's been part of championship, so he said, we'll lift the trophy. I said, well, wherever you go, you lifted the trophy, so hopefully that'll rub off on us as well. But, I mean, Shakib, that matter, he's a world-class player, and it's nice to bring him back home. He was always a KKR boy. But some of the youngsters also, I mean, Abhishek has worked very, very hard with his team to identify some of the youngsters. So someone like a Vaibhav Arora, who he believes has something very unique there. We have also seen him. And tall guy coming in the someone like a Venkatesh Iyer, who opening bat, tall guy. When I saw him also, very impressive the way he plays pace and spin. There's obviously something special there. And to be able to give an opportunity for and a platform for players like this who we know come and grab that opportunity and do very well, which augurs well for Indian cricket. So we're very excited.
Absolutely. And talking about KKR, one of the strengths of the side has always been their spin attack, and now Harbhajan Singh is really going to add to that. How do you see him fitting into the scheme of things?
Well, I think you have, like Venki sir said, the experience obviously depends on the conditions, and the conditions will determine whether or not how big a role Bhaji plays in the team. But like I said, just having that experience in the dugout, knowing that for all the younger players, for a guy like Kuldeep, for Varun Chakravarti, just to have someone like Bhaji who's been there, done that over the years, been in high pressure situations, I think it really it's a comfortable feeling for everyone in the dugout.
Did you get all the players that you wanted? Is there anything left to be desired now that the day has ended?
Well, I mean, you always have a wish list, but I always tell people if you come away from an auction saying 7 out of 10 and you had a 70% success rate, that's a A plus performance. I would venture to say we were probably at 90% types, and so very very happy about how it went. All the hard work that has gone in over the last several weeks, thinking about it around the year. When you scout for talent, it's not a just a snapshot. It is round the year you're keeping track of how it's going. So I think it was very satisfying the day we were back today.
And bringing in the all-round capabilities of someone like a Shakib Al Hasan, who's been a champion player for the side, and of course Ben Cutting. How much is that going to strengthen this side in the playing 11 for the upcoming season?
Well, I think the proper all-rounders. I mean, whenever you look at an all-rounder, you want to make sure they do both skills well, and I think they add value in terms of that. Also with Shakib, you get the leadership skills, being captain of Bangladesh, being part of our team when we won the 2 championships. So we've got a lot of championship players in our team this season. So it obviously gives you a different dimension. It lets you think differently when you come up with teams and obviously in matchups when you play against certain sides. So I feel it gives you a very a different blend of players in which you can use just based on the situations and the conditions.
Grooming young players is something that KKR has always enjoyed, and today at the auction table you were grooming 2 youngsters. There was Janvi Mehta and Aryan Khan. How was the day with them?
Well, excellent, because I mean, it's nice to see youngsters showing interest to come in and learn, and just to see their innocence and the type of questions and some of the learning curve that we've all gone through with IPL auctions and how this whole process works. They bring a different type of energy, which is great to see, and for them also it was an amazing experience and eye-opener for them. So overall, it's great to see that, and it's maybe the passing of the baton at some stage, but it's a nice debut for them.
Absolutely, and I'm sure Knight Riders are very excited. All the fans are very excited to know that there is a full house coming their way come the IPL 2021. Any message for the fans because they've been watching and following the auction very closely?
So
Both of you.
well, from my side, obviously exciting times ahead. We've got some very young, exciting players, and we've got some seasoned campaigners. Hopefully, this year with all those championship players, we get to lift the cup and make everyone happy.
Same here. I think big thanks to all our fans, all our supporters, and the kind of messages that we get of encouragement. It just energizes us. And during the pandemic and whatnot, not having the opportunity to come there, watch us play at Eden Gardens, but yet somehow giving us that energy and support has been fabulous. I know we can count on you to do the same going forward. And we'll continue to work very hard to try and make you proud. And God willing, fingers crossed, we'll bring the silverware home.
Absolutely, fingers crossed. Thank you so much for talking to us, gentlemen. Congratulations on all the buys that you got at the auction today, and thank you for doing this for the fans, because we've all been looking forward to IPL 2021 and seeing our Knights in action once again. It is going to be a full house. The first step in preparation is done, and now it's on to a brand new season of the Indian Premier League.